Progress finally. Ooh, is that factory hitbox? Look at that big intercooler, man.
So big.
It's so big. This is the first thing I did. I'm gonna go to the other side and take off the other panel. But this is an 18 Mustang GT Ngauge install. So the second thing I did was, sorry the lighting's pretty bad in here. Let's remove this side. It's right next there. I'm gonna actually install the Ngauge and this vent right here once I figure out how to get this off.
By yourself.
Nah, bro, it's just clips. See?
So now when I get my gauges, I know to rip it the fuck out.
No, I'll do it. You know what it is? I'm so used to taking door panels and stuff. Like, yo, listen, if a fucking clip like this breaks, I can replace it. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are, I can buy them at the dealer.
Guy. One thing at a time. Guy, relax.
Oh, that was awesome. So hold on, you gotta record. Yeah.
I wish this was my fucking house.
So,
I'd never leave this.
I never leave the garage either. So anyway, long story short, you might break some clips taking this off. This is a base model, so I don't got all those fancy wires behind here because I couldn't afford them. So I just got the cheaper version. So you might break a couple clips and stuff, which you could just order from the dealer. I definitely broke one clip right there. But it's not rocket science. I mean, don't go in there doing like, you know, a bull in a china shop, because you might just rip the entire dashboard off. But this is pretty much, it's basic, you know, just got to give it a little tug. Don't be scared. Yeah, it's a brand new car, but you shouldn't be touching it if you can't break it. You know, you wouldn't be putting an Ngauge in if you weren't trying to make the car fast. So I would definitely leave it alone and have somebody professional do it. I am definitely not a professional. I'm the furthest from a professional. I'm surprised the entire car just didn't fall apart as I pulled this away.
No, you didn't break it.
Oh, I didn't break it. Holy shit. Holy. So there's these little clips right here. I don't know if you can see it. You just push those in. Push those clips in like this. All four of those clips, and then the actual vent will pop out from the OBD2. Obviously it's down there. I ran the wire along here underneath the steering wheel. It says airbag. You can see the wire there. I got to tuck it away still once I'm done. I ran this through. I'm going to use the middle gauge. I just threw a zip tie in there. I'm going to put it in the vent. I would also put some black tape around the outside to snug it in. Alright, so here we go. That's the Ngauge installed. Very simple. Gotta put some things back here.
I'm so drag life, I put welds on my girl's Ford Fusion.
I'm so drag life, I beadlock my sneakers. So that's it. Ngauge life.